Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Jay and Happy New Year. Today we're going to be building a PC because my other one took a crap on me and I decided to build my own. So if you have the extra 14-15 minutes, I think this is going to be to do nothing and watch a PC build. Well, here you go. Okay, so I'm finally done. And one thing I want to point out is the 2060 that I put in here ended up being a bad card. So I had to go up to Best Buy. I picked up a 2080 Super from EVGA. It works just fine. Actually, the 2060 that I had, that was actually supposed to be a replacement for in case the 2080 ever went bad, because I heard horror stories about that. And I was afraid of that, and I wanted to keep working in case it did go bad, so that's the reason why I had that. The only other changes that I made, the cord, because I had this for the CPU power, and that ended up being too thick when I put the fans up in there. So I changed that out, and I used the cord that came with the power supply for the CPU. That actually worked out better because I had to run the cords for the power of these fans through a splitter, so I needed that room. So I'm actually glad I used that. But these cords, I do like these cords. I got these cable combs a little different because I was trying to train them. I didn't really have a comb that was only 7 long, so that's the reason why that's like that. And this, I do like this. This is all braided right here, but that came out looking pretty good. So instead of using the 12 volt cord for the RGB for the fan here, I used the USB cord to control the lights for the fan, because there's actually a light here and then a light that goes around the fan, and then you get a light for the actual fan itself. So I wanted to be able to control all that. But other than that, it runs pretty damn good, and I ain't have any issues with it so far. So let's get right to the end. Well, that's going to do it for this video today. If you made it this far and enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And thank you all for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video.